On a hot pan, add the oil from 2-piece 180-gram canned tuna. Saute chopped onion on a medium flame setting from about 20 seconds. Add 3-piece 180-gram drained canned tuna and continue to saute on a medium flame setting.
Add a pinch of salt and ground pepper. Continue to saute on medium flame setting until the tuna is reduced. Then add 2 to 3 pieces chopped green chili pepper and mix.
Continue to reduce that oil of the tuna is lightly toasted. Turn off the flame and set aside.
Cold serve this as easy or you're cold. Put it on a sizzling plate depending on preference.